Hi everybody, my name is Mroczek and I'm here today to read you the book Good Enough to Eat by Lizzy Rockwell. So I am a member of the Miss America organization where my social impact initiative is feeding ourselves the importance of nutrition, and I feel that this book goes really well with the message I am trying to get across. On the inside cover, we have a bunch of fruit and vegetables. That's fun. All right. Babies cry when they're hungry. Dogs bark and howl. When you feel hungry, your stomach grumbles, your legs feel weak. You don't cry or howl, but sometimes you feel cranky. In the nick of time, your dinner is ready. It looks good, it smells good, and it tastes good. As soon as you eat, you feel better. Hunger sends you strong signals. It lets you know that eating is the most important thing you do each day. The food you eat and drink keeps you alive. It builds, protects, and energizes your body. Food makes you able to grow, think, breathe, move, stay cool, stay warm, fight germs, heal, and live. Nutrients are the parts of food that your body uses to do its work. There are 6 different kinds of nutrients. You need large amounts of some nutrients and very small amounts of others in your diet. Every food contains at least one nutrient, but healthy foods have lots of them. Your body uses different foods and different nutrients in different ways. Digestion is the way food is broken down so that nutrients can be absorbed into your body. For healthy digestion, you should eat plenty of fruits and vegetables and whole grains. These foods supply fiber. Fiber does not get absorbed during digestion. It helps carry bad chemicals and excess fats out of your body. When you digest food, your mouth grinds food and mixes it with saliva. Your esophagus, or your throat, pushes food down to your stomach. Your stomach churns food and mixes it with acids and turns food into a thick liquid. Your small intestine absorbs nutrients through its spongy lining, and nutrients enter the bloodstream. Your large intestine absorbs water and leads unused parts of food out of your body when you go to the toilet. As soon as food is digested, nutrients start to work. Carbohydrates, protein, and fat get turned into energy. The amount of energy they supply is measured in calories. You use a lot of energy to run and play. You also use energy to stay warm, pump blood, breathe, think, heal, and grow. Carbohydrates should supply most of the energy your body uses. You can detect carbohydrates in food just by taste. Foods that taste starchy or sweet contain carbohydrates. Things like candy, bread, pasta, and bagels contain carbohydrates. Starchy foods give long-lasting energy. Sweet foods give quick boosts of energy, and the energy from very sweet foods is used up very quickly. Protein supplies energy. It also builds and repairs your muscles, skin, brain, blood, bones, and internal organs. You get protein when you eat animal foods, such as fish, meat, eggs, milk, and cheese. You also get protein from plants. The parts of a plant that can sprout and grow, such as seeds, dried beans, and peas, nuts, and grains, are good sources of protein. Just as an old-fashioned lantern burns oil, you burn fat for heat and energy. Fat also helps make food taste good, but it is easy to eat too much fat. Fat has more calories than the other parts of food, and if you eat more calories than you need, the unused calories are turned into body fat. Eating too many fatty foods can make you heavy. Fat is in vegetable oil, butter, and cream. You can also see fat in the white and yellow parts of uncooked meat and chicken. Often, you cannot see the fat you are eating. To find out where fat is hiding, get a large piece of paper, a pencil, and samples of foods. You can see how to do this experiment in the next panel on this slide right here. So feel free to do that. You don't need to worry about having too much water in your diet. Water is your body's main ingredient. 70% of your body, including your blood, saliva, tears, urine, sweat, is all made of water. How cool. Water escapes easily from your body. In a day, you lose 2 cups of water just by breathing. When you cry, go to the bathroom, and sweat, you lose even more water. But as it leaves your body, water carries out wastes and cools you. Vitamins and minerals are needed in tiny amounts to perform many important jobs in your body. They help all the nutrients in food work together. Vitamins are found only in plants and animals. Minerals are tiny particles of rock and metal. The best way to get all the vitamins and minerals you need is to eat a variety of fresh foods, including plenty of fruits and vegetables. The Food Guide Pyramid. The Food Guide Pyramid shows how many servings of different foods you should eat in a day. If you follow these guidelines and drink plenty of water, you can get all the nutrients and fiber your body needs. Starting from the bottom row, the green, these foods are a good source of carbohydrates, as well as vitamins, minerals, proteins, and fiber. The next level up, the yellow level, these foods are a good source of vitamins, water, and fiber, as well as carbohydrates and minerals. The next levels are the red and orange. These foods are good sources of protein and minerals, as well as vitamins, water, and fat. In the very top level, the blue level, these foods are high in fat and sugar. They have a lot of calories, but not a lot of nutrients. These foods should be eaten in small amounts. Food keeps you alive, healthy, and strong. It gives you energy and makes you grow. Food is fun to make. And food is fun to eat. All right, that is the end of Good Enough to Eat by Lizzy Rockwell, a kid's guide to food and nutrition. And I can't thank you guys enough for watching. There is a lot of additional information within this book, like different recipes and fun facts. So I have included those pages in the next slides after this one. And feel free to screenshot them and pause this video to get some of the recipes down. If you guys would like to contact me, I have some contact information like my email, Instagram, and Facebook below. And also, if you attend Madawan Later Elementary, this book is available for checkout in the library. So you guys can get the recipes in person and you can read some more of the little information bits in there as well. So feel free to pause and screenshot these recipes. We have 2 recipes here. One is a soup and one is a pretzel bread. They call it alpha bread, so you can make different shapes and letters from the alphabet, which is really fun. We have 3 more recipes, Little Dippers. This is one where you can dip your fruit and vegetables in. We have Fizz-Aid, which is like a fizzy lemonade, and Yogi Pops, which is a healthy alternative to the really sugary store-bought popsicles. And in this last slide, we have a little bit more about calories. Calories measure the amount of energy supplied by food. A teaspoon of fat has twice as many calories as a teaspoon of protein or carbohydrates. Vitamins, minerals, water, and fiber supply no calories. Every day you should eat about as many calories as you use. This is easy if you avoid eating foods with a lot of fat or sugar and get plenty of exercise. So also on this page it shows a little diagram of how much of each kind of food is equal to about 200 calories, and also different things like exercise, running or walking you can do to burn a certain amount of calories. So this is just a little tidbit about the extra information in the book. And I'm sure you can find this book on Amazon or at Barnes & Nobles. It's really informative, and I think it is one of the best books I have found out there regarding a whole summary of nutrition that is a pretty easy level to read and understand. So thanks for tuning in, and thank you to Miss Sills from Matawan Later Elementary for finding this book for me to read. It was a great pick, and I'm very happy that you reached out to me to read. Thanks, guys.